Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to turn off the liquid glass effect for iPhone lock screen clock. The new liquid glass effect on the iPhone lock screen clock adds a stylish fluid look, but not everyone prefers the glossy aesthetic. If you would rather have a simpler, more traditional clock design, you can easily turn this feature off. In this guide, I'll show you easily disable the liquid glass effect for your iPhone lock screen clock in just a few simple steps. That's it. Let's get started. So first up, you have to bring up the lock screen on your iPhone by swiping down from the top of the screen or pressing the side button. Then you have to long press on the screen to bring up the wallpaper gallery. After that, you have to tap on the Customize button to proceed. Then you have to tap on the clock reading. And then you have to choose the solid option at the bottom of the screen. After that, you can choose the desired font, color, and even perfectly adjust the font and color using the pretty handy slider. And once you have perfectly customized the look and feel of your iPhone lock screen clock, make sure to tap on the Done button located at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and you are good to go. So that's how you can easily disable the liquid glass effect for your iPhone lock screen clock. Switching it up gives your lock screen a cleaner and more classic appearance. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy but hidden feature, make a most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.